Chiquinha, chiquinha.
Go check out the room.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and then also hit the that little bell. That means you're gonna get notified of other videos that I do. Okay, this waterway is between Macau proper and Taipa, which is they all make up the city of Macau. But there's 3 bridges that go across them, and I'm on one of them. And the reason I brought out my camera in this particular spot is because I'm seeing all these unusual activity of these boats, and I'm going to zoom in on some of them while I'm going across. And they look like they're doing some landfill projects, and I'm not always sure what projects they're working on. But it seems like kind of a lot of boats, and I'm going to take a look at some closer. And just take a look. So you see all that sand there, or dirt? There's like whole piles of it. And usually when I've seen that in the past, they're building something. This is another one that they're building right next to the land as well. So I don't know, where the land is moving. But there's definitely something happening here. So I just wanted to capture it. I like to capture things in a moment of time because there will be something there later, and I just don't know what it is. I'm going to be viewing in some more of these piles too. Again, if you like this, just hit the like button. It'll put it in the algorithm. And right now I'm kind of on the bus, so I remember seeing it directly on the other side, and I wanted to get over to there because I did see some reclaimed land projects that going the direction I'm going to. But I didn't actually see ships in that exact spot, but I saw lots of things like this kind of in the middle. So I don't know, it looks like this is sand and dirt that they just dropped right there. So they're, I don't know, are they going to fill in like some big thing in the middle? I don't know. Or the one that's supposed to be on that side is going to be out that far? Could be, I'm not really sure. But there's always, Macau, there's so many projects going on and so many interesting things. So I just wanted to capture it and just kind of see what people thought about it. And I think in the long run, something will be there, and I can say that I filmed it, and people that view this can say, yeah, I saw that beforehand as well. And they're doing a lot of projects, and there was this thing on YouTube that had it right there. And yeah, there's a spot right there. So yeah, I mean, if they're not reclaiming land right there, that's how they do it. If people aren't so sure, they basically just keep dropping dirt. They bring in these barges just like these, and they just drop the dirt in. And I think this is one, but you can see these some kind of anchorage too to some of these. So like that to the left, and this just seems like they're just kind of out there semi-permanently doing whatever they're doing. So I don't know, it's kind of interesting. But I don't know, maybe people that have more ideas of what goes on in ships and why they sit in certain spots for a long time might have more insight than I do. But I definitely saw ones with the dirt, and I saw the dirt that was being dropped into the water. So yeah, let me know what you think. So okay, let me see. And I'm also just kind of filming at different boats because again, I'm not the expert, but somebody else might kind of know or have some speculation about it. So yeah, throw your speculations down, or if you do know what's going on, let me know as well. I'm pretty interested in it.
Chiquinha, chiquinha.